Hi, it's TacKnives here. Today we're going to talk about how to maintain and repair an OTF knife is if it's become unusable because it's dirty. So here I have a Stinger, a TK Pro Stinger Tonto version. This is my personal knife. I've had it since this was actually a prototype before the main production. So I've had this thing since June, and I've had it with me for everything. So I do a lot of cutting boxes, nothing really special. So you can see a lot of gunk from the tape and stuff, and now it's caused the knife to not function anymore. I can't even retract it or deploy it. Also, you can see the knife's being sharpened. But anyway, so we get a lot of customers send us emails or just phone in, says, hey, my knife is not working anymore, it's broken. But there's nothing broken about it. It's just the OTF knives need a lot of maintenance because there's mechanical parts inside that moves around. There's a spring, and then the tolerance for between metals it's very small. So when things gets lodged in there, it causes the deployment to fail. So anyway, we're gonna fix this knife, and then I'll just walk you guys through how I do it. So here we're gonna take it apart first. This is T6 Torx number 6. So just take it apart. So I'm just taking off all the bolts. So inside you can see the spring's pretty clean, and the inside of the handle is pretty clean as well. I'm trying to get the stopper to come out. There you go. So it's slightly dirty in there, and I don't think you can see it, but still we're gonna clean it. And also a lot of times customers would put different kind of lube or grease in here to try to maybe make the deployment faster, stronger. So really any kind of lube or oil will cause the deployment to fail because the viscosity of the oil will slow down the blade deployment. And so also we just recommend customers to clean the inside of the handle. So today I'm going to use acetone. I usually choose between acetone or rubbing alcohol. Acetone, it's probably, it's not good for you, but it does the job so well. And so I just get a Q-tip, I flatten it, and then I dip in acetone. Let's get it at Home Depot. First, I just clean the blade. You can see the blade is really dirty with a lot of tape residue. And then acetone just does a really good job of getting all these sticky residue off. Kind of takes a while. And some of the harder stuff, I'll just scrape it off. New Q-tip. No, I just do the other side. So now the blade is decently clean. I mean, clean enough. Still some stuff up there, but I don't know. I don't really care. Just, and then now I really flatten this. I'm going to clean the inside of the handle. I just kind of get it inside. I also like acetone because it dries faster. So you don't want to put the knife back together before whatever solution you use is dry. So here, I just clean that. So sometimes when the switch is a little bit harder to deploy, you could put a little bit of grease here or oil, but just here though, not to do it inside of the knife. That will help the metal on metal contact here. Anyway, my switch is also really dirty, so I'm gonna clean the switch a little bit. Yeah, that's good. All right. So then, now we put the knife back together. Put the blade in here. That's it. So good as new. So you really should do this to your knife if you use it a lot. I mean, do it when it fails or do it frequently. The higher the tolerance, the tighter the tolerance of the blade to metal, or the less play the OTF has, the more you should do it, because the space between the blade and the handle is smaller, and which makes it easier to cause the deployment to fail. So that's it for how to maintain your OTF knife, basic repairing. Stay tuned, we'll have a lot more videos on how to repair different aspects of your OTF knife.